Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Japan's industrial production will be released at 4:30 GMT. The US Export Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 4:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 17 GMT. The US Import Price Index at 12:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street's main indexes were mixed, with S&P 500 edging up to a closing high, while the Dow Jones and Nasdaq were flat after a hotter-than-expected producer prices report dampened expectations of potential interest rate cuts. Austria-based crypto platform Bitpanda has entered the United Kingdom, aiming to make the country one of its top 3 markets within the next 2 years. The expansion includes its retail investment app along with its corporate arm, Bitpanda Technology Solutions. The US dollar rose across the board as data showed US producer prices increased more than expected in July, amid a surge in the costs of services and goods, suggesting a broader pickup in inflation in the months ahead.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 4.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.1% during the session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.